Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to continue with the same topic, that is quadratic equation of class 10th, finding the roots of the equation. So 15th question. So if alpha comma beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, x square minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0, then find the value of alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. Options are minus 8, minus 16, minus 32, minus 64. So take down the given equation and compare with the standard form and write down the coefficients and also mention sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So we get 2 and 4 as a product and sum of the roots is 2 guys. So keep this step as aside. Now take this formula alpha power 5 plus beta power 5, that is nothing but a power 5 plus b power 5 formula. So we have to simplify this one formula and we need to convert in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Okay, so this is the formula guys for alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. Alpha plus beta into alpha power 4 minus alpha cube beta plus alpha square beta square plus alpha beta cube plus beta power 4. According to the Pythagoras, according to the Pythagoras triangle, we have taken this formula. Okay, so simplify all the terms, all the steps. So wherever you can convert alpha plus beta and alpha beta, you convert those steps. Okay, I have converted alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 as alpha square plus beta square whole square. Okay, and here also alpha square plus beta square, we don't have any formula for that, so we need to take alpha plus beta whole square by taking a plus b whole square formula, making a square plus b square as a subject. We can do this. So substitute all the values. Here also I simplified. So this is a conclusion step guys. Alpha plus beta into alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. This value is nothing but alpha square plus beta square whole square. This can be written as in this format. Minus 2 alpha beta square. Okay, minus 2 alpha beta whole square minus alpha beta into alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta whole square. Now the total step is in the form of alpha plus beta and alpha beta guys. Now substitute the values and simplify. I substituted and we get minus 16 guys. That is option B. Option B. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Please go through this sum once again with each and every step and comment me in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. So this is the complexity sums guys of class 10. These type of sums that never ask in CBSE board exam, but if you practice in this way, if you practice these type of complex sums, then you can able to attempt easily if they give even own sums also. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.